Rightio, so we are here at Bottlemart in Queanbeyan. We have my favourite refrigerators right here. Of course we have a walk-in refrigerator back there. Let's check it out. So it's pretty vintage. We have a Buffalo Trident evaporator right there. And of course, I'm not sure what this one is. I think this one might be a real cold. Not sure if you can see that. So yeah, it's pretty old. You have the drainage pipe right there. Of course, the coolant injector right there. Of course, at the back, it's the coil. Same for this one. Yet again, we've got the drainage pipe right there, and the refrigerant injector right there. Of course, coil at the back. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed, and I'll see you next episode. Goodbye.